Hi guys, I am Laura and I am with Food Prude and I am a homesteader in northern Michigan. So I'm so glad that you're here joining me. I'm going to show you my adventures in homesteading in a northern climate where we have a very small window amount of time to get a lot of stuff done. So I'm glad you're here, so come along. What a northern Michigan garden really looks like right now. There's no pintrest, fancy looking things. It's things that are falling over due to the rain, things that are dying back, like those, like the spots, and we'll see we have much worse spots on the tomatoes. The weather has been changing at night. It's been much cooler. So this is pretty much what it looks like right now. But things are hopping. They're just coming in very much later than per usual, but that's how it is. I have a tarp over some of the tomato plants to maybe speeding up some ripening. We'll see. I've got lots of beans that look really good. They're my dry beans. I've got several kinds. I've got beautiful mama sunflowers, peas that I'm just kind of letting everybody eat off of just for fun. You'll see some, that's a sad looking tomato plant, right? But good looking tomatoes, so we're going to deal with it. There's some of them are splitting because of the rain, but that's okay. That's what happens when they want to turn red. They will start to split. Let's see, like this one over here so you can see. So yeah, but still edible, still fine. I'll just cut those parts off. Cucumbers are coming on now. They're doing delicious, and there's lots of blooms, and they still have a month until our frost comes, so that's okay. Peppers are just starting to finally do their thing. I'm not sure if I'm experiencing peppergate or not. I had like one that looked like a bell, and it was spicy as heck, so we'll see about that. Lots of my potato plants are definitely dying back. Here's a few right here that I randomly planted, but that's okay. It's that time. I've already pulled all the onions so that they can start drying. The garlic has definitely been pulled and dried and put away. Here are carrots. They're doing really good. I've been pulling them for snacking, and I will ferment them. And we'll ferment some of the tomatoes for salsa, fermented salsa, which is delicious as well. Creating your own probiotics. And then definitely have some issues on the zucchini, but they have given me plenty, and I don't need that many. So I was thankful for what I got and still getting. Here are some more dry beans. And over here you can see lots and lots of potato plants. Pretty soon we'll be pulling them. They're about done, or they are done. Now I'm just kind of leaving them till I have space. And then there's some beautiful mama sunflowers again. And then over here as well. Yep. Some tomatillos. Corn I'm still waiting on. I probably have another week or so. So this is what a northern Michigan garden truly looks like towards the end of August. Nothing fancy, but it feeds everybody and it's all organic. So, yeehaw. Guys, for joining me on this video. I'm really excited that you watched. If you have any more questions, just post a comment down below and I'll get back to you right away. Visit my website, www.foodprude.com, and I'll see you in the next video.